Hello friends, sometimes we let the bikes home and we just go for a walk. We have a very nice park close to our home where it's a big golf court. Yeah, we have moments when we go in nature only to admire things like this. Look at this tree, what a beauty. I don't know if you like to do that, but we enjoy coming into the park and smell the mowed grass.
Yeah, I know. Mowed grass is quite.
Has a lovely smell.
Yeah, like mowed grass is quite like the word mold into moto.
Moto has nothing to do with moto, but the smell of the mowed grass is really nice.
Yeah, the moto grass.
It's tickling me. Did you try it?
Oh, can you try? Let me smell.
Smell?
Oh, ow, something's hurt.
No, just take another.
Oh, painful.
Smell it.
Oh my god, it smells super great. What the moly? Okay.
The moly.
Come on.
Okay.
I need to do my work here. I need to do money. Ooh. Yeah. Huge.
Paul is leveling the sand.
A huge ride. Oh, you know how amazing I'm doing by myself in my work? Whoa. This is very good. You love it? Dad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you create patterns?
No, I'm not going to
But this
create
is a pattern.
Whoa. But I have an idea how to create a pattern. So much more tiny squares.
Oh yes.
But that's not.
It's not really working.
Yeah, why isn't it not working?
The squares are too small. The interval between lines are too small. We like to smell this tree.
Yeah, but how
The
about
pine.
we smell those things? This is what I wanted to smell.
It doesn't have any smell now, Paul. Come here.
Why?
Come here. Get closer.
Okay, doesn't have smell.
No, it doesn't have any smell.
It has nothing.
But about a month ago, it had a really nice smell.
What?
Of a pine tree.
A pineapple tree, that means? Crazy, alright. Yeah. I'm crazy like my mind is here. Oh, my mind is in my head, yeah. I have so much things in my head, but my friend.
Blow it.
Let me get it. Let me get you, man.
A few rabbits in front of us. They get scared very fast.
What's this?
What did you find?
This.
It's from the golf.
But I was taking it.
It's the support for the ball, yeah.
And then no one could have it. No one else could have it now.
It's probably broken, that's why it was left behind. Look at this tree. It's a bit of noise here because of the street, but the park is lovely. Oh, it seems I lost Paul. Paul, where are you? Where is Paul hiding?
You found me!
Oh!
Surprise! Now you found me.
You've been there. I didn't see you.
Yeah. You didn't quite see me. I was trying to hide by you moving.
We found in the end some very nice roses. Oh, they smell so nice. Paul?
Yummy, yummy. I love it. Okay.
Now at the end of the day, Paul is doing the homework. What is the question, Paul?
It says circle the incorrect comparative adjectives. So this one.
Okay, so yes.
And this one. Where's that one?
I think this one is alright.
I think this one.
Yes.
This one, no. This one, no. This one, no. This one, yes. This one, I think, yes.
I think Kinder is right.
I think he's yes because Kinder is a egg.
It's Kinder. It's be kind. Be kind.
Ah, I thought it was Kinder the
The
egg of
no.
chocolate with a toy inside.
Yeah, no, it's not about that.
Because ăla pentru bebeluș.
And I'm not sure about wild.
I'm not
you
sure.
know what? Let's check because on the last page.
I need where Wilder is. I know it that Wilder is. Wild? I think it is. Woohoo!
Paul, Wilder, it was okay. Look, here we have the answer, and it's saying that loud is also wrong.
And this one.
Loud is wrong.
Why?
Wilder is right.
Oh. Uh-oh.
That's fine. Leave it. Now do the next one, please. Don't do that, please.
Why?
Do number 2.
Number them.
What is saying on number 2? Read the question first. The request.
Make the adjectives below. Wait. Make the adjective below comparative. Choose the correct comparative adjectives to complete the sentence.
Okay.
I think he's warm.
Read the sentence first, please.
I like summer because it is
If you will take the hand from here to see.
warm
because it
and
is something
bright.
and something done winter.
Winter.
Okay, so I like summer because it is
Bright.
how it is brighter.
Brighter.
Why you don't take the pen?
Why? I want this one. Because everyone is using this for homework.
Okay.
Everyone uses
smaller.
this. Bright. But one is like Jonas. I can't do it.
Okay. And
there's no space.
And if you take
warm.
look, just try with the pen and see that you'll have more space because you is writing better. And how is the summer compared with winter?
Hey, I think this one is much more better than this one because it doesn't work. And warm.
You switch H with G here. Should be BRIGH. Anyway, and how is the warm How is
And
the
warm.
how is the summer? And warmer. Okay, number 3.
Nothing is a mistake in this one.
Read it loud first. I want to hear it too.
Noah has written a sentence which includes a comparative adjective. I think that one doesn't even have a mistake. Wait.
Well, read the sentence first, please.
Wait.
Read it, please.
I am 6 years old. Max is older than me.
And how it should be. Max is how?
Max is older.
Well done.
Oh, yeah. I
Okay. And the last one. Read number 7, please.
Okay. Circle the incorrect comparative adjective.
Okay.
Dimmer it is.
Wait. Okay.
I know it is. Anti-near.
No, I don't think so. This one is good.
I think it's a little bit wrong.
It is good.
This one. Sever.
Yeah, this one is wrong indeed.
The wrongest. I wanna say to you, the wrongest.
No, you should circle like that. Look at me. You should start from the top, go to the left like that.
Hey!
This is how you should circle, not the other way. Yeah, you should go from here like
Hey,
that.
what is it doing?
I helped you. I show you how to
No,
circle.
don't help.
Okay, what other
No.
words do you think are they have the incorrect comparative adjectives?
Worse here.
Yes.
Worse here it is. Because if you write worse, you write the one with the end of the E.
All right.
And then if you put
What else?
worse, if you want to write worser, and then you do worse with one E, and then two E's, and then it's a double E together, will be wrong.
Yeah.
That's it.
What other word
Because
is wrong?
some people, some children from class just do that. This is how they write worser.
Okay.
Worsier. They don't know how to write worser. Because I know how to write worser.
Okay.
There's one more.
Yeah.
Stranger.
No.
Teenier.
No.
More.
Oh, don't guess.
Easier.
Yeah, but don't guess.
It is.
No, read the number, the request of the number.
8. Make the adjectives below comparative. Choose the correct comparative adjectives to complete the sentence.
Okay.
I think good.
Well, let me read. Far, lonely, and good. It is always
good.
Something to stand something away from the. Read, please.
From
it's
the
your
edge
homework.
of the curb when a car is coming.
Stay properly on the seat, please.
My car is.
Okay, so it's always.
Always good.
No.
Lonely.
No.
Far.
What?
Nothing.
You are guessing again. It's always better.
I don't even know.
It is always better.
Wait, let me just see. It is is good.
Yes, but it's better.
That's like it is gooder.
No, the gooder is wrong. Come on, write better here now. It is always better.
But no, better.
Okay. To stand.
Stand good.
No.
Lonely.
Paul, read the sentence
Far.
again. It is always better.
To stand where? To stand something.
Away from the edge. So, to stand.
Of the car when a car is coming.
Yes. So, it's always better to stand where?
Away from the way. To stand. Stay safe.
Where do you see safe age? Here. Where do you see?
It's far.
Yes, but is the comparative adjective.
Far.
Well done.
Farthest.
No.
Far.
It's just farther. No, it's Farth. Okay, number 9 now.
George has written a sentence which includes a comparative adjective.
Okay, so it
I
says
have
explain his
little
mistake, yes?
pocket money than my sister. It has the literal because it has a little L next to E and T.
No, actually, it's a different shape of that word. I have less. It should be less. I have less.
Less, yeah.
Now write down.
Yeah, but
Liter
don't
is
have.
wrong. It should be less.
I have less. Easy peasy is the S.
Okay, so you finished the homework.
Lessler.
No, Lessler does not exist.
Less.